McLaren's Artura Spider steps into the spotlight with a series of thrilling upgrades for the MY25 model year.
Despite its initial challenges, including concerns over engine sound and electric range, McLaren has revamped the Artura lineup to address key criticisms and elevate the driving experience. One of the most anticipated changes is the introduction of the Artura Spider, marking McLaren's response to demand for a convertible variant. Remarkably, the Spider's structural integrity remains impressive, with the weight difference from the coupe primarily attributed to the folding hardtop mechanism. Clocking in at 3,252 pounds, the Artura Spider maintains its lightweight advantage over competitors like the Ferrari 296 GTS. Under the hood, McLaren engineers have fine-tuned the 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering a 19 horsepower boost to reach a total output of 596 horsepower. Combined with the electric motor's 94 horsepower, the Artura Spider now boasts a formidable 690 horsepower and 531 lb-ft of torque. Acceleration remains impressive, with a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 3.0 seconds and a quarter-mile sprint of 10.8 seconds. Enhancements extend beyond raw power, with updates to the exhaust system designed to produce a more exhilarating sound profile. The addition of new valves, a tuned resonator, and conical tailpipes elevates the auditory experience, while an optional sports exhaust system with a Composer delivers even more drama. My25 improvements also include enhanced suspension and transmission responsiveness, refined ABS calibration, and a slight increase in electric driving range to 21 miles. However, the standout feature garnering attention on social media platforms is the spinning wheel pull-away mode, allowing drivers to effortlessly unleash power and excitement with a press of the pedal. Priced at $281,008/£221,500, the McLaren Artura Spider offers an exhilarating open-top driving experience, commanding a premium of approximately $25,000 over the coupe variant. With its blend of performance, style, and innovation, the Artura Spider promises sun-kissed thrills at the push of a button, embodying McLaren's commitment to pushing boundaries in the supercar segment. Stay updated on the latest developments in automotive innovation by subscribing to our channel.